Good morning. We're from Estate Works.
Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome. I'm the project manager. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you for coming. I'm worried about my home.
Don't worry. We will help you.
Yes, we will fix it.
The wall seems stable here.
Let me check this corner.
I'm documenting the roof damage now.
The perimeter is 35.8 meters. Noted, I'm adjusting the line now.
Make sure the stake is secure.
Ready for the next measurement.
And here is the main room. Oh, I see it now. It's beautiful. Yes, it's all coming together.
All right, cones are down. Got the tools sorted. Watch the tape. Checking the manifest. Ready to start.
They did such a good job. Now you have space to breathe, Mama. Yes, it is beautiful. Thank you so much for your help. This photo means everything to me. You're welcome. We'll make sure it's safe.
The palm leaf roof is unstable here. Approach with extreme caution. We understand. Keep it steady.
Going steady.
Going down. Watch your step. Almost there. That's the last section. Keep it steady. Lower it down. Got it. Watch the corner. Clear the way below.
The structure is unstable. We must be careful.
Understood. Team, maintain a safe distance and clear the debris promptly.
The measurements are exact. Here is where the entrance will be. It's perfect. I can see it now.
The perimeter seems slightly off. We need to recalibrate. Agreed. I'll adjust the laser here. Good. Let's check this diagonal. It's critical. Setting up the total station. Ready for the measure.
The spacing here looks perfect. Let's cross-reference it with the blueprint. Verified. It matches exactly. Excellent work, team. Fantastic. Keep it moving on the left. More flow on this side. Check the vibrator over there. Yeah. Nice and smooth now.
The concrete looks good. We need to cover this section now.
All right.
All right, let's lay down the plastic. I've got the fencing secure here.
The perimeter is complete. It's perfect.
We need to install the headers now. Check the levels. Got it, boss. Adjusting the frame. Looks good. Let's get the laser set up.
Look at it go. It's getting so tall.
It's perfect. The measurements are exact.
We did it.
Let's get these roof frames up. Keep it steady. Lift up, lift up. Got it here. Bracket on. Move the driver. Okay, it's looking level now.
Yes, that's much better.
Now for the lock. The PEX lines are all secured. Good. Let's move on to the drains.
Remember to pressure test everything thoroughly before we finish up here.
Keep pushing it in. Looks good. Almost done. That's the last section.
Oh my God, it looks beautiful. Almost done, just a bit more. I can't believe this is my home. Look at it. It's perfect. Wow.
The alignment looks perfect.
It's coming along beautifully.
Fantastic, it's just what we envisioned. Line them up. Secure this one here. Looking good.
All right, testing the pendant lights now.
Perfect.
Check the ceiling fan, looks good. Power's on.
Wow, it's perfect. Perfect, the trim looks fantastic.
Absolutely, ready for the next phase. All right, next one is good. Bring it down, steady. Got it, let's go. Watch the corner. Clear, perfect. Last load, done. The exterior looks sound. Let's check the windows and doors. Looks good. Window secure. Door seal is tight.
The perfect welcome. It feels just right.
Great work, team. We did it. It looks amazing. I'm so proud of all of you. This is the best project we've done yet.
Welcome, welcome. It's so good to see you. Come right this way. Oh my God.
Surprise.
I can't believe it.
Congratulations, this is all yours now. Oh my goodness, thank you so, so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you all, this is everything. You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect.
It's perfect. Thank you so much. Welcome home. We hope you like the changes. Oh my God, I can't believe it. We're so happy for you. This is everything I dreamed of.
Welcome home.
Oh, I can't believe it. Look at this, it's beautiful.
We used only the best materials. This countertop is magnificent.
Oh, it's perfect.
Would you like to see the pantry?
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Congratulations. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all so much, truly, from the bottom of my heart.
I want to thank the entire crew for their incredible work. We did it.
Thank you all so much for being here.
Yo.
It's been a pleasure to work with you.
Looks like it's been a great success.
Truly, we couldn't be happier.
Thank you all so much. It's been a pleasure. We're so proud of the result.
Thank you, God, for this beautiful day and for all that I have.
I think this is the perfect spot. It really feels like home now. Welcome to the new place. We're so glad you like it. It's even better than I imagined. Looks fantastic. Come on in.
Keep an eye on the caulk around the windows and make sure to test your smoke detectors every month.
Oh, that's smart, thank you.
And we've just installed a new high-efficiency filter in your HVAC system.
I never thought I'd have a home like this. It's more than I could have ever dreamed of. Every morning I wake up and I just feel so incredibly blessed. Thank you all so much for being here. It means the world to me. Cheers to Sarah,